Hello everyone and welcome. We're gonna go on the elevator. We're at level G. So we're gonna hey, this is access to outer pool. Outdoor pool is all the way up there. We have to keep going forward, guys. We're gonna go into the elevator, guys. The elevator is right now at level 3. Now it's level 2. So we're gonna take the elevator. Can we go to the stairs? Okay, here we are. We're at level G now. We're gonna go up to level 4.
Level 2.
Why?
Just go out to the lobby.
No, I don't want to go to 2.
Okay.
4. Yeah. All right, close on. The elevator is closing, guys.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
We are at level 2. My sister accidentally pressed. Oh, we helped this girl here. Now, close. This button is close. See these arrows? It's like closing. It's open. This is going the opposite way as the closed one. You know, guys. We're going up to level 3. Just kidding, 4. Not the elevator's at level 3, guys. Here we are, arriving at level 4. We're gonna wait and go out.
It's my turn.
Bye bye now.